Hello everyone, this is Essie. Today let's talk about the price issues that we are more interested in. Actually, there are many factors that affect the price of PCB. First, we need to check is PCB or PCBA. Obviously, PCBA includes components and assembling, so there will be a big difference in price. The next different materials lead to different prices. As you know, there are FR4, PI, PET, aluminum, ceramic materials, and so on. Of course, the cost of these materials are different. And then the price is based on the size and the layers of PCB. The larger the size, the more expensive it is, and the same, the more layers they are, the more expensive it is. Besides, the surface finish and the hole type will be also affect the price. Of course, quantity. The larger the quantity, the better the price. Okay, if you know more factors, welcome to receive your comments. See you.